And to the big breaking story that is coming in from Ministry of Home Affairs. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba is currently, as we speak, chairing a meeting with the states via video conferencing on the lockdown violations. Latest that we're picking up here at India Today is that the centre and the states are currently discussing the resumption of economic activities as per the revised Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines. The government is now considering keeping the rural areas in green zone, including the opening up of shops as well. Issues that are related to migrant labourers and interstate movement bilaterally between the states is also being discussed at the moment. So this is going to be a crucial development once we know what solution or what conclusion they've rather come to with this regard. The issues related to Indians who are stranded abroad as well is being discussed. A broader guideline to bring them back as the 40-day period has about to come to an end. So all of this is being discussed as we speak. This meeting is currently going on as well. We've picked up a few inside details of these meetings as well. Kamaljeet Sandhu now joining us live for the very latest on this story. Kamaljeet, if you could encapsulate what you're picking up from what's happening in the meeting as far as the resumption of economic activities is concerned, the kind of caveats attached to it, the bilateral opening up of interstate travel for migrant workers as well. And the third, of course, important point after the migrant workers is about the Indians who are stranded abroad as well. These three key takeaways for now.
Yes, two important details coming up from MHA. One is regarding the clarification they have given as far as shops are concerned. E-commerce business, they're saying, is only going to deliver essential items. The other is the ban of liquor as well as Gutka items continue. But what is important is what the Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba is doing. He's currently chairing a meeting with chief secretaries and DGs and senior officers of various states. What is significant is the broader guidelines. One is the problem of migrant, and we've seen move coming in from areas like Uttar Pradesh, like Bihar, trying to get their labor back. That has been somehow, we've been told, likelihood of approval by union government, saying that yes, if there is an agreement and there is arrangement which is made with social distancing and other norms kept in mind. Now, we saw a similar move where students were taken in from Kota, a similar move done by government of Assam. The other is the bigger part, which is the economic resumption. What really happens now onwards? Very clearly, these are slow but eventual steps to opening up. Now, rural sectors are the first one to be open because remember, they are less impacted. So whether it is agriculture, whether it's opening up of industries in rural areas, now whether it is opening up of completely opening up of shops there, barring malls in rural areas, these are all major relaxation given in the rural area, and largely because India is an agricultural country. So in that sense, this is a major respite to normally all people associated with the rural sector. However, it's the urban sectors which have hotspot and containment zone. MHA is already formed interministerial.
All right, Kamaljeet, we'll keep coming back to you for all the very latest details on this story. Remember, this particular meeting is still on. All the conclusions that come out of this meeting, Kamaljeet will be bringing us up to speed with the very latest, and this will remain to be our top focus because these are questions that everyone wants answers to at the moment. Now, there's a major relief coming in for small traders amidst this entire lockdown. The Ministry of Home Affairs has allowed shops selling non-essential goods to resume businesses from today. The shops which are allowed to function are only outside the hotspot areas, outside the containment zones. The order only applies to shops within the municipal limits. However, shops in shopping complexes and malls will continue to remain shut. The MHA in the order has said that the shops can function with 50% of workforce present, but they have been mandated to wear masks and maintain social distancing norms.
अब देश भर में दुकानें खुल सकती हैं। मित्रों, गृह मंत्रालय ने ये जिम्मेदारी राज्य सरकारों को दी है और हमें इंतजार करना होगा तब तक जब तक राज्य सरकारें इस बारे में कोई निर्णय नहीं लेती हैं। लेकिन निश्चित रूप से मुझे लगता है कि आज दिन में राज्य सरकारें इस पर निर्णय लेंगी। मैं आप सब लोगों से ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जब भी दुकान खुलने का मौका आए, सबसे पहले आप अपनी दुकान को सैनिटाइज करें, अपनी मार्केट को सैनिटाइज करें और सुरक्षा के उपकरण जैसे मास्क है, ग्लव्स है, सैनिटाइजर है, उनका लगातार उपयोग करें और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बनाए रखें।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.